entered the sand. Okay, here we go. Craft. Okay. Whoa! Wait, Golden Freddy? Is that you? Oh my god. Wait. He opened the sand sheet changer. I can't wait to have sand sheet. Don't worry, I'll get you. Whoa. Oh god. He's already down the vent. Okay, Golden Freddy. Okay, he's going upstairs. Okay, I need to run. Oh. Dun 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 dun. Congratulations! You turned into. You changed from Golden Freddy plush Funko into Golden Freddy plush Sand Sheet. Yes, I'm finally Sand Sheet. Yes. Huh? Hello, it's me, the Sand Sheet Service, and I'm here to get you. Wait, what? Why? Because we noticed that you're Sand Sheet, so you have to come with me. No. Yes. No. Next video, Golden Freddy plush unboxing. Plus, at Sand Sheet headquarters. Okay, he's here. Now I just need to put him in the bag. Well, I need to find a bag. Where we put one in the trash can. Found a bag, you Golden Freddy. No, please don't do this. Too late. No. Now I need to find some tape to conceal it. Sanchi Golden Freddy. Oh no, I need to unbox him quick. I need to get him in the here quick. Okay. I wonder who this is trying to get the Golden Freddy. I wonder who's trying to get the Golden Freddy. Because it's so weird that someone already wants the Golden Freddy that I just got. Come on. This is not working, maybe because it has such a big hole. Whatever. I have some other tape, which is much longer. Woo! Don't worry. You'll have a nice day in there. Woo! 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 Okay, I'm done. Now to just see who wants the Golden Freddy plush. Back at Freddy's. I can't believe I ordered the 6 Golden Freddy. I wonder when we're gonna get it. Yeah! I hope we'll get it today. No. Yeah! I guess I want one, because I want a daddy. A bigger daddy than me. Of course I want one. Yeah, Daddy. I'm glad you got one. Yarn. I can't wait to have Golden Freddy. Yeah, me too. Yarn. I can't wait to get the Sanchi Golden Freddy. Yeah, me too. Wait, where's Chico? I'm here. Yeah, even I want Sanchi Golden Freddy. Right, Cupcake? I'm a cupcake. Yep, I knew you would say that. The next video is a Golden Freddy unboxing. Sanchi.